I love God more than you.
Ralph, welcome back to Rome. You have chosen. You said I must if I was to go on in the church. But having chosen, how can I go on? I have broken all my vows. You went to the rose. Yes. Vittorio, I never felt such ecstasy in God's presence as I felt with her. I found a pleasure in her I never dreamed existed. Not just in her body, but because I loved to be with her. To smile at her, talk with her, share her food, share her thoughts. I wanted never to leave her. But you left her. You found the strength to leave her.
But I haven't let go of her. That's what wounds me, and I don't know how to heal myself.
Perhaps you are not meant to. Perhaps that wound has saved you. Do you remember the Greek story of Hippolytus?
The play we saw in Athens, yes. Yes, he was killed because he couldn't love.
No. Because he was too proud to love. Too arrogant to count himself among mortal men. Yes, your vows are broken. But so too, let us hope, is that proud spirit that kept you from the thing you wanted most. You see, one cannot truly be a priest without the humility to understand that one is first a man. When you think of your rose, think that it was she that led you to understand that.
No. Oh, no. To see her only as some means of saving me would be the greatest arrogance of all. She loves Vittorio. Despite everything, and with a singleness of mind and heart.